finally here. Oh, hey, I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Derek Zoolander, Center for Kids Who Can't Read Good. And who want to learn how to do other fun stuff good too. Okay, today's the day.
Mizer's here, finally.
I know. After how long?
Like 18-month delay.
Yeah, something like that. Maybe a little bit shorter. Wow, it's his first time seeing it.
Wow. Were you scared driving it on the highway?
Yeah, he was like, he almost started crying.
You did? Why?
Well, it's very expensive. I know. I know. What do you think?
It's so shiny.
It is.
It's all dusty.
Does it stay
I know.
Dude,
You want
this is-
one dirt road.
This is like,
It was all pavement, then you went on a dirt road. And hold on, where's the dust?
super hydraulic.
Right here.
Oh, cool.
Look at that. Brand new.
Wow, that's big.
I know. And this is
Oh,
not.
it's plastic.
It's really strong.
Oh
This
my God. it's
this
so
isn't even the 6-foot bed extension. Yes.
There's a really good chance you can use this thing a lot. Because this is 12 feet where Marcello is.
Yeah, so what we'll have to do is extend that way probably. Tuxie. Guys, this is Tux. He's our dog. He's like 11 years old. And his back legs are starting to go. They have been going, so. Tuxie. There might not be a whole lot more videos with Tux, but. Yeah. Tuxie, I love you, buddy. What's up, buddy? And if you always keep the radio on, then everyone's happier. This is how it works.